Welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, we are Mark and Debs from the Isle of Man. There it is! Join us as we make the short journey from the Baccabion campsite in Ringwood over to the Sir Walter Tyrrell Pub in Lyndhurst. Dad photobombs a video shoot. I meet up with my long-lost friend Heidi after 35 years. And we bump into some big YouTube fans. This week we're staying at a pub stopover at the Sir Walter Tyrrell Pub, which is steeped in history and also has its own ghost. We set off on our short but scenic journey from the Baccabion campsite in Ringwood off to the Sir Walter Tyrrell Pub in Lyndhurst. Oh, look at the little fat one. Oh, look at the hole, man. Look at that. Yeah, there it is. There's the campsite at the back. Jump out and check us in, babe, okay? Over.
Yeah, look at these white doves here.
We've just arrived at the campsite now. Yeah, Debbie is going in to check us in now after a good bit of navigation.
One of the reasons we chose the Sir Walter Tyrrell Pub to stay at was because of the Rufus Stone that I'd read about while I was looking for where to stay in the New Forest. This picturesque pub is not as old as its oldie-worldy appearance would suggest. The original pub on the site was known as the Stump, named after the wooden-legged lady, and still lies in the car park. The new pub, renamed after the local legend, Sir Walter Tyrrell of course, was built in the 1930s and included a menagerie with monkeys and exotic birds. It became well known in the 60s for its live music.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Play on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I
With the dogs well exercised and fed, it was time to go and get ready for my special guest, who took a lot longer to get to me than anticipated.
In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go, just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back, keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can
With one of my best mates from years ago.
35 years, isn't it?
Isn't it?
It must be 35 years.
Yeah, I worked it out.
Since-
Well, I tried to work it out.
Yeah,
Not
I've
maths
tried,
is not my
yeah.
strong point.
34,
Yeah,
35
so
years. We
it's
haven't
so
seen each other
nice.
before, so.
Yeah. And do you know what?
Excellent.
Heidi walked today 4.5 miles.
4.5 miles round
I will walk 500 miles
In a complete circle.
Oh,
But it was worth it.
So
It was-
worth it.
it was absolute
Mwah.
I was trying to do the out in the wild bit, you know.
You did that.
Horses.
You did that. You've got
Taking
shit to
the,
prove it.
yeah, the wild.
ambience.
Yeah.
And now I ended up in a bloody
And on the A30 getting
bush
bibs.
on the A30. Oh, God. Yeah, I've got photos to prove it, Bill.
Yeah.
On the A30.
On the A30,
Well,
in and out the bushes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, for an hour. Yeah, before I realised I was going the wrong way. A police car did pass me. He looked, and I looked at him a bit sort of desperate. He just drove past.
Did he?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Escape from travel lodge.
Yeah.
Doesn't
She
send
didn't
me
look
back
like
there.
she-
Before I sat out, I'd straightened my hair, I'd done my makeup. I wanted to look nice for Deb. The time I turned up,
I
was
straightened my hair
I
for
was-
you too.
God, so lovely, isn't it?
I know.
I'm tousled now.
I look a bit tousled too, because by the time you got here, I'd had 4 pins. They're all yours.
Heidi ended up spending the night with us in the motorhome because we tried to get a taxi, but at 1:30 in the morning, there was no chance. Anyway, I think she enjoyed her little experience of an overnight in the motorhome. The next stop on our itinerary was the Green Dragon Pub, which was only about 4 miles away from the Walter Tyrrell. The pub was lovely inside and out, but the field at the back where we were supposed to camp was very basic and there was lots of potholes, so we pulled over and we decided against going there. So we headed back to the Walter Tyrrell. We were just speaking to some YouTube fans over there. They're in that caravan over there. So we're going to see her later. Kim, her name is, because it's her birthday.
It's a birthday today.
Her birthday. We're just going to show you the garden, the beer garden, and that's lovely. And the kids' play area is massive, isn't it?
Yeah, it's huge,
that.
great for the kids.
Look
And
at
just
that
check
for a
out what's
children's
outdoor
play
seating.
area. I'm just going to go and have a look at this older stuff here, the mangles and stuff. Oh, edit that one out.
Yeah,
Amazing how they used to make things in those days. That was like a spring, wasn't it, that you tightened?
yeah, it's giant swell. Like leaf springs on the top and you wind it down.
It's almost like how the
It's
axles work, isn't it?
It's exactly the same principle as leaf
Same
springs.
principle. Get me?
Same
Get
principle.
me?
Get you.
With me axle principles.
Debbie the mechanic.
What's this?
I don't know actually.
Like an engine or a
I don't
piston?
know what that would have done, to be honest. I'll tell you what, if anybody knows, put the answer in the comments. What is it? Does that say cheese cutter? There's something cutter. Some sort of cutter. Looks a bit overkill for cheese.
Cheese grommet. Oh, this is sweet. Wow. Look at all the little fairy doors. Dragon. And there's a butterfly and lots of doors on the trees.
It says, please feel free to ask for a fairy door to decorate while you're here. Only £1 a door, and it's donated to charity, and the door is yours to take home or leave here for our growing number of fairies.
Really good, isn't it?
What a brilliant touch from the pub that is.
Yeah.
And what a stunning little fairy
Because
garden.
at the end of the day, it's for charity and it's going to kids, and I love that. Last night.
You've got to get the star in the show. So you can see behind us there, that's the campfield directly behind the pub, isn't it? A few pictures with electric hookup, haven't we? And
Yep.
some with, some without. Uses this con leaky.
Gone leaky.
There goes the aerial.
Is it moving?
Just been twisting it.
Has he?
Must be getting a rubbish signal.
At least we don't have to get on the roof this year. The food at the Walter Tyrrell is absolutely delicious. If you're ever passing through the New Forest and you're stuck for a night, why don't you give their campsite a try and go and have a lovely meal and a drink? After dinner, we joined Jane and Kim for a drink and to wish Kim a very happy birthday. So it's really lovely to meet you, Kim. So tell us about all your little people that you love.
I love Robin Lynn on tour.
Robin Lynn tour. Yeah.
Herman hits the road. Camper
vibe.
Camper vibe, yeah. Hi, Camper vibe. Hi, Robin Lynn. Loads, absolutely loads. I subscribe, and I've just met these lovely people.
Oh,
thank you.
Thank you.
And I've got a sticker, the very first sticker I've ever got.
Yeah. So, guys, Hills on Tour, Field View, Wandering, Wheelies,
Do little campers.
Leanne, Travels of Ethel. We need stickers for Kim.
Yeah. Yes.
And Jane.
And Jane.
And Jane. And they've got a lovely little dog under the table. He's under there. Freddie the Cavalier, who's in shame.
Yes.
What did he?
He's in shame. Because he chews everything.
We'll say no more. We'll say no more. Yes.
He's chewing your clothes now.
What's he doing? Is he eating your leg?
Yeah.
Is he chewing your top?
Yeah.
He's a little devil, isn't he?
He's terrible.
Oh, he's a little bugger. Frederick, what are you doing? Freddie, what are you doing? Look at him.
Oh,
Fred, hello, aren't you gorgeous? So the Rufus Stone, tell me again about that. Was haunted by...
Rufus Stone's haunted.
Yeah.
So there's a horseman up there. There's a horse, King Rufus.
There we go, that's the haunting.
That's so funny.
Because
That's the ghost.
King Rufus was killed by Tyrrell.
Yes, that's right, Walter Tyrrell. Yeah.
So and there are horsemen up there, and that is haunted up at that side.
Oh.
But we are also haunted here.
And the haunting here is by a lady?
The only person I've seen personally
Yeah.
is a lady.
It's a lady.
Is a lady.
And you've seen her twice, haven't you?
Yeah, and my husband's seen her once.
That's just amazing.
As I said, the Paranormal Society wanted to come here because of the vibes of the haunting.
In here, in the pub? Wow, so we might get some orbs on camera then.
You know?
Yeah, you know.
I mean, I don't actually believe in that until I saw her.
Yeah, and then you
And then
do.
you think,
Yeah,
actually,
yeah, yeah.
something's in there.
Well, that's amazing. Well, thanks for chatting to us. This is Mel, who runs the Walter Tyrrell. So if you're in the New Forest and you're passing by the Walter Tyrrell, stay and have a drink and something to eat. Yeah? So
Mel
there
likes
you
to
go.
drink.
Don't we all?
We all like to drink, don't we? Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We'll say bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.
I'll say bye-bye. Jane.
Bye.
Whilst editing this vlog, we found out there was originally a smaller pub in the grounds of the Walter Tyrrell called the Stump. This was named after a landlady who ran the pub who had a wooden leg. Could this be the woman ghost seen on numerous occasions by Mel, the landlady, and her husband? Who knows?
Rufus Stone, we found it. Right, let's go and check it out. You're all excited to see the Rufus Stone, aren't you?
Yes, I am. Famous king, King Rufus, was hunting deer here, and Walter Tyrrell apparently shot him with an arrow instead of hitting the deer. So Walter Tyrrell went and got his horseshoes changed and twisted round the wrong way, backwards. So when he did a runner, people followed him, but they went the wrong way, and he ended up back in Sienne in Spain, in France. Just got away with it. King William II, surnamed Rufus, being slain as before related, was laid in a cart belonging to one Perkis and drawn from hence to Winchester and buried in the cathedral church of that city. That the spot where an event so memorable might not hereafter be forgotten, the enclosed stone was set up by John Lord Delaware, who had seen the tree growing in this place. This stone having been much mutilated and inscriptions on each of its three sides defaced,
This more durable memorial with its original inscriptions was erected in the year 1841 by W.M. Sturgis-born Warden.
So there's the story of King William II and the Rufus Stone, which we found in the New Forest. We absolutely loved the New Forest, and we seriously just checked this out. Photos, Instagram. Which is page 1, darling? There's no page numbers.
Alright, we're going to try and move this motorhome. It's not going to be an easy one because the ground's wet. He's just jumping off the chocks now. Well, that's us leaving the New Forest, off to Malbank, to meet up with some people, special people.
If you haven't seen any of our UK road trip, clicking on this video will take you to the start of our UK adventures. If you've enjoyed our video and would like to see more, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and really helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Got a few technical problems there.